Safety has always been a secondary thing for most trucking companies. It's kind of important that they start realizing right now, without safety, there is no trucking company anymore.
You cannot fool the ministry for a long period of time. The trucking companies have a mentality that safety and compliance basically means a cover-up for things that they're not able to do in the right way. We kind of stand apart from that. It's no gimmick, it's the straight way out.
The MTO DOT has X amount of things that you need to be compliant. Making sure they're hiring the proper driver, making sure that the vehicles are maintained properly, making sure the logbooks are audited, making sure that the drivers are trained on a periodic basis. Companies will try to do it themselves, but they're also doing dispatch. The smaller companies, they try to do the dispatch, and the safety is kind of a secondary thing. Somebody is just doing it on a side. Once you hit that 30 plus threshold, you need somebody full-time in there to monitor that. If not, it's only a matter of time that the safety rating will start going up, and then the ministry is knocking at your doorstep.
The most important thing where trucking companies fail is to maintain systems at place. A trucking company is not just about trucks on the road. There are permits, there are documents, there are credentials to be satisfied. All these documents are to be there inside the truck.
These are like pillars that hold the safety for any company, any trucking company for the matter. We hand over everything in black and white to them in a format that is acceptable by MTO as well as DOT.
As a team member of Waggons, go with the driver on their run, see how do they behave, how do they follow the rules, how do they follow the signals, how do they do their pre-trip inspection, and give them the ideas to do it in a smarter way. If somebody needs to check each and every nut and bolt of a truck, they don't need to check it every day, but they can choose a portion of a truck. We give the smart way of doing this safety and compliance.
Majority of the companies or clients who come to us, they don't have a foundation. It is a trucking company, yeah, they have got trucks going on, but they don't have a basic thing that is safety.
We want to work with companies that are thinking proactive than reactive.
Once Waggons takes over clients and the client gives you all the freedom to do it, Waggons is always audit ready. You don't have to be worried about an audit coming at any point of time.
Be it safety, be it the risk management, be it the drivers being approved, what are the drivers' safety conditions, the vehicle conditions and criterions, everything would be up to the mark.
We are a transportation risk management consultant. We truly analyze the risk that the trucking company has from an MTO perspective, from an insurance perspective, from a litigation perspective. We come in and we put systems in place to mitigate all those risks. Some of the things that we do: proper driver hiring, proper driver's reference checks, we do log auditing, we do driver orientation, driver retraining, we do a lot of safety meetings. Again, everything revolving around the safety and compliance aspect of it. We do the IFTA tax returns, we do IRP plates. The biggest risk we also monitor is conviction rates. Me as a licensed paralegal, we fight almost 80 tickets a day right now. Fighting those tickets, we try to save points. Plus we do a lot of small claims. We have trucking companies say, Shri, I'm going to send my staff to your office for a week or two. Can you train them? And then we use you on a fractional basis. We do that. We've been putting systems in place. We've been working on process development. We've been doing R&D. We've been using technology quite a bit. The Waggons can customize the program as per the client's need. We want to be the one-stop solution for trucking companies.
It's not just the quality of the clients we have, it's the quality of service that we are putting forward. A client who understands how our work ethics are, who understands how transparent we are, it is much easier to make him understand how things work out.
One of the biggest advantages that we have is that we work with almost 75 plus 80 trucking companies. So we are privileged to see the best industry standards.
We'll guide them every day through the logs with the defensive driving training that is happening, all the online courses that we give.
We're going to make sure that we're going to take you to the next level. Not only in terms of just getting your safety and compliance, getting ready, audit ready at any point in time, but also going above and beyond and letting you concentrate on your business to grow it in many folds.
So it's like a whole package, it's like airbags. You're safe in all ways.
In this team of ours of say 15 people, we're all making use of what our expertise is.
We all are young, enthusiastic, and we have that passion to work for this industry. We are eager to know every day what is new. As much amount of the knowledge comes or flows in the air, we absorb it, we filter it and pass it on to the client as and when it is required, which keeps us on the top of everyone in the market.
One of the reasons that when our staff started growing drastically, I wanted to have cross-training.
The major aspects of it that
In every monthly meeting we always discuss the ideas that are coming from one person can evolve something better.
We look at challenges and opportunities in that meeting. We have a candid conversation with each of the staff and say, tell me what is your challenges? And then as a group, we figure out solutions. Because maybe some of the staff has already solved that problem. We also bring in industry specialists and guest speakers who would come and share their knowledge to my staff.
I've now had the opportunity to visit clients with insurers that you service, and your name is synonymous with good, which in your industry and where your niche is, it's not typical.
If you look at the trucking industry, the industry itself has the ability to heal itself.
The ability is there, the want and the need and the guidance, and so it needs a doctor.
It needs a doctor, and
people
sort
like
of
us.
like us. And right now, it is unhealthy. Those carriers and those companies want to get healthy, don't want to do the right thing. And I'll tell you, those are the guys that will leave your legacy.
This is a knowledge-based business that I'm in. And in order for my company to grow and my staff to grow, I need to do everything to try to educate them and learn on a daily basis. The core team has to be strong.
People on the road see that 80,000 pound truck, but why that truck is rolling on the road? Wagons is the reason there.
Team Wagons, upfront and straightforward. We always deliver what we promise. We get it done.
We work as your backbone. We are always there as a support system.
We're trying to make the trucking industry healthy again.
Our goal, just like the ministry, is we want to keep the road safe and we want to contribute to the trucking industry in a positive way.